Welcome to Healthy Khmer Cooking.
Today, what are you going to cook?
Today I'm going to cook a mixed vegetable fried rice. I want to show you the ingredient first. It have chili sauce, soy sauce, salt, garlic, tofu, onion, carrot, tomato, Chinese cabbage, and green onion, rice and oil.
Oh, Chada, how can we cook this food?
First, we have to put the wok hot a little bit, and then we add this oil a little bit. We add garlic. Okay, the garlic is become red now. Can you pass me the garlic, please? Garlic. Thank you. I will put it all so that we fry it a little bit soft, and then can put the tofu. Thank you. After that, we put the onion together. This one. And we fry it until it's a little bit soft. So, and next we have to put this one. Okay. Can you pass me the tomato? Yeah. In the middle. So there we go. Okay, and then we add soy sauce to make it taste good. Okay, next we can put the chili. Thank you. Next we put some salt. You can take some this one to put in, just to make it a bit sour. Okay, finally we can put the rice in. You can put the rice as much as you want it. For me, I want it just a half of it, so then make it taste. Okay. One, do you smell it?
Yes.
It smells good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like fried rice?
Yes, I like.
Okay, we mix it until it mixed together. Okay, the last one, we put green onion in. So can you? So now it's already cooking, so we close the light. So we prepare to serve it. So one, can you pass me this?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. in my own way, I like to decorate like that, but it's up to you. It's up to you. If you want to decorate a different way, it's okay. But for me, I like that. I like to decorate like that. So, okay, I will put the fried rice into my bowl. Yeah, to decorate it. Okay, and then I will put something like a circle. Okay. Here we go. So I hope that you all enjoy our video, and I hope that you will make it at home because it have a lot of vitamin and it help our body to grow. And yes, enjoy our video. Goodbye and chumri.